In front of me is Samsung Galaxy F56 and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Now click on this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom right corner and hit all of your photos you wish to add. If you can't find them here, you can always tap on Photos, look for a chosen photo and tap on it. Then do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!